Frugal living has always been a way of life for many people, and the older generation often has some of the best tips and tricks for living a frugal and financially responsible life. Here are 10 frugal living tips from the old generation that can help you save money and live a more financially secure life. Shop secondhand or at thrift stores. The old generation knows the value of a good deal, and they often shop secondhand or at thrift stores to find gently used clothing, furniture, and other household items at a fraction of the cost of new items Fix things instead of replacing them. When something breaks or wears out, the old generation is often quick to try and fix it rather than replacing it. This can save a lot of money in the long run, as repairs are often cheaper than buying a new item. Plant a garden. Growing your own fruits and vegetables can save a lot of money on groceries and help reduce your carbon footprint. The old generation often has a green thumb and knows how to make the most of a small garden space. Buy in bulk. Buying in bulk can save money on groceries and household essentials. The old generation often has a pantry stocked with bulk items like flour, sugar, and rice, which can be used to make meals and stretch the household budget. Use coupons and discounts. The old generation knows the value of a good deal, and they often use coupons and discounts to save money on purchases. Whether it's using a loyalty program or looking for sales and discounts, the old generation knows how to save money. Make your own cleaning supplies. Store. Bought cleaning supplies can be expensive and not always environmentally friendly. The old generation often knows how to make their own cleaning supplies using natural ingredients like vinegar and baking soda, which can save money and reduce waste. Use a clothesline. Drying clothes on a clothesline instead of using a dryer can save money on energy costs and extend the life of your clothes. The old generation often knows the value of a clothesline and uses it to save money on energy costs. Repair and reuse. The old generation often knows how to repair and reuse items rather than tossing them out and buying new ones. This can save money and reduce waste, as well as keep valuable items in use rather than ending up in a landfill. Use natural light. Using natural light instead of relying on artificial light can save money on energy costs. The old generation often knows how to make the most of natural light and uses it to save money on energy bill. Plan ahead and cook in bulk. Planning ahead and cooking in bulk can save money on groceries and reduce waste. The old generation often has a well-stocked pantry and freezer and knows how to cook in bulk and stretch meals to save money on food costs. By following these frugal living tips from the old generation, you can save money and live a more financially responsible life. Whether it's shopping secondhand, fixing things instead of replacing them, or using natural light to save on energy costs, these tips can help you live a more frugal and financially secure life.